In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on the safe mode on the TikTok application, which allows you to hide the sensitive content in the direct messages if you receive them until you choose to view them. So messages from potentially unsafe sources will also be moved to the filtered request. So this is a very important feature of TikTok to protect yourself or your colleagues or your children from viewing the sensitive content. First of all, just move to your profile from the bottom right hand corner and head over to the three lines at the top right and click on the settings and privacy. Now, once we are in the settings and privacy, we will scroll all the way down to this section where it says interactions, and from here we will choose the direct messages. Choose that, and from here we can enable the safe mode. Toggle that to the on position to enable that. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.